So just a quick update. The internal wiring has been done, or as much as I'm going to do. So everything from the mains input through to the switch, pilot light, output to the rectifier valve, the heater circuits have all gone into the valves. The speaker wiring is all put in. I've not wired any of the terminals within the pots yet. That's something I will keep till last. Even though I could put in some of the runs now, I prefer not to. I've also done the link wires underneath the motherboard and one bit of the bus wire on the top. Having just finished the link wires underneath the board, I'm just going to check that I've got those correct. So not looking at the board underneath, but checking from the top, I haven't done the links here and here. I'll do those on the top of the board using the leads from the resistor, but I should have a link here to here, which I have, and from there to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, from there to there, which underneath is made from this point to this point. Okay, and from there we have a link down to there. So basically all the way through there. Then we have a link underneath from there to and there, so nothing either side. So coming down that way. From there it goes up to here. No, that's wrong. Sorry, where was I? There to there. Is that right? Oh no link from there to there, but link from there to there. That's a resistor, will link that up. And then from here we come down to 1, 2, 3, 4 along here. Yep, that link's made. And there's also a link from diagonally from, where are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in, down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's all correct. And that's all the linkages correct. I've put in the heater wiring, also checking the fact that there's no bridges between any of the small valve other pins, and that the rectifier is linked up correctly. Obviously switching on and off, making sure that there's an earth continuity. So if I go into the earth pin, we have earth continuity and the socket there. So that's fine, and that's about it for now. Now it's time to populate the board. I'll be back again soon. Okay, so I've now populated the turret board and got most of the a few of the wires at the, what I think will be the more difficult end, to solder in post mounting the board when I'm doing the input socket and the first valve socket there. Still waiting for a resistor to go in here, which is going to go across there and be tied to these posts. So that's why that capacitor is just still loose. and I'm also waiting for my trim pot to go in here, which Modulus say is going to be on its way shortly. You might notice that there's an odd cap here, and that's because I completely clumsily ruined one of the Mallory caps. Did test it, but it is toast. So that's a bit of a shame, but I'll get another Mallory for that later on, and we'll then replace the cap that's in there. I go through and test all the resistors once they're in circuit with the plan or the layout, and they're all absolutely fine. I also go through and test the capacitors when they're in, make sure they're still all okay and I've not damaged anything else. So I know everything is absolutely fine, it's where it should be, and all I've got to do now is the pots and finish the tube sockets, and then we're all good to go. I've only got 3 resistors left. There are 2 to go on the tube socket, or one each to go on each tube socket, and the 1 meg grounding for the input socket. So that's it for now. I'm not going to bother doing any more till I get the final bits for the turret board. I'm just going to have a rest.